Most people focus on what they eat, but forget one critical thing: the oil they cook in every single day. Your cooking oil can either reduce inflammation and support heart health, or silently damage your metabolism, hormones, and blood vessels. Today, let's talk about the best healthy cooking oils for daily use, how to choose them, and which oils you should strictly avoid. First, understand one simple rule. The best cooking oil is one that stays stable when heated. When oil breaks down under heat, it produces toxic compounds and free radicals, which increase inflammation, insulin resistance, and heart disease risk. Now let's start with the best options. Ghee is one of the healthiest cooking fats when used correctly. It is heat stable, rich in fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, and supports gut health. Ghee also nourishes hormones and does not oxidize easily. For Indian cooking, ghee is excellent for sautéing, tadka, and slow cooking. Next is cold-pressed mustard oil. Mustard oil has a high smoke point and contains natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory compounds. It supports heart health and improves digestion when used in moderation. Always choose traditionally cold-pressed mustard oil, not refined versions. Coconut oil is another stable cooking oil. It contains medium-chain fats that are quickly used for energy and are less likely to be stored as fat. Coconut oil is ideal for high-heat cooking like frying, roasting, and South Indian dishes. However, use it in limited quantity and avoid refined coconut oil. Groundnut, peanut oil, when cold-pressed, is also a good option. It has a balanced fat profile and works well for Indian cooking styles. Again, the key is cold-pressed, not refined. Now let's talk about olive oil, because this one is often misunderstood. Extra virgin olive oil is excellent for health, but it is not meant for high-heat cooking. It is best used for salads, drizzling, light sautéing, or after cooking. Heating olive oil too much destroys its antioxidants. Now comes the most important warning. Avoid refined vegetable oils like refined sunflower oil, soybean oil, corn oil, canola oil, and rice bran oil. These oils are heavily processed, chemically refined, and high in omega-6 fats. Excess omega-6 causes chronic inflammation, joint pain, heart disease, and hormonal imbalance. Also avoid repeatedly reheating oil. Reused oil becomes toxic and damages blood vessels and the liver. So what is the ideal strategy? Do not rely on just one oil. Rotate your oils based on cooking needs. Use ghee or coconut oil for high heat. Use mustard or ground nut oil for daily cooking. Use olive oil only for low heat or raw use. And always remember, quality matters more than brand. Choose cold-pressed, wood-pressed, or traditionally extracted oils, even if they cost slightly more. Your body pays the price for cheap oil. Because good health does not come from supplements alone. It starts from what you cook with every single day. For holistic, root cause-based wellness guidance, visit Innate Heal, where healing begins from within. Please like, subscribe, and share the video to your family and friends if you like it.